Me again. Hi, welcome back to Process Junkie. I'm Jason. I'm going to share with you today my travel kit. This is my anytime I go away on a trip or even like a weekend or whatever. I'm out and about a lot, and I like to be able to kind of switch it up in case I need to. So I bring this with me. It started as like a pencil holder for mechanical pencils, but I'm going to show you what's in this week's post. This is basically my ride or die toolkit. It has everything from dip pens to mechanical pencils, traditional pencils, brush pens, nibs, leads, erasers, a weird little suction cup thing for a small tub of ink, and an eraser, little eraser that looks like a French fry. Anyway, I am going to share everything in this week's post. Process Junkie. You can read it right down here, like in the just below this video. I wrote a thing. Read it, enjoy it, ask me questions in the comments, and I want to see yours as well. Someone showed me their kit recently. A cartoonist named Dave Kellett at the Reuben Awards in San Diego showed me his like drawing travel kit, which was amazing. And I realized we probably all have one of these. We probably all have like a portable, Iron Man Mark 4, Mark 5, portable situation that we bring with us. So I want to hear what yours are. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. All right, hope you enjoy this week's post. As always, thank you for subscribing, and please hit all of the things, this like and all that bullshit. But I'll see you next time on Process Junkie.